What is up, guys? Nice seeing you again. Today, as the title of the video says, we're saying F the gym, and we're just going to go to a park close to our house and get a sort of calisthenics, probably very bar related workout in. And I'm actually here picking up Winston. So we're gonna be heading over there now, killing it, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Peace out.
Whatever you want, whatever you need, babe. Whatever you want, whatever you need, babe. Whatever you want, whatever you need, babe. Whatever you want.
Alrighty, guys. So we decided to start with a exercise on the bar you see right here. We're going to be doing about 3 to 5 muscle ups, and then we're going to be doing about 8 to 10 pull ups, emphasizing on a single arm. So basically what you're going to do over here is come over to one side, pull up on that side, go back, go to the other side, and pull up on that side. So I'm not sure if you could hear me when I was over there, but just going from one side to another for about 8 to 10 reps. All right, so we're probably going to do 3 to 4 sets of that, muscle ups into single arm emphasize pull ups. Let's get it. So guys, we just finished 3 sets of the muscle ups into the single arm emphasize pull ups. So moving on to our second progression, we're going to be doing more chest and triceps for more of a pushing movement. On these angled bars right here, we're going to be grabbing it in a semi-supinated position with your wrist kind of facing away from you, and you're basically going to be doing a dip variation. So just like this. I don't know, most gyms I've been to, they have those parallel bars, and you can do the neutral grip dips, or sometimes you can find a way to do the pronated grip dips, but I usually had never found a really good way to do kind of an underhand version, so this will fulfill that for us. And then after that, we're going to be hitting some triceps. You're going to be grabbing the outside right here, and we're just going to be doing tricep extensions just like that, focusing on body weight right here. Try to keep the motion isolated to that elbow joint. It really targets it on that tricep. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna do 3 sets of this.
Whatever you want, whatever you need, babe. 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 Whatever you want, whatever you need, babe.
So guys, we just finished that superset for chest and tris. Now we're gonna be moving on to a little bit of legs. We decided that today's gonna be more of a full body day. So right here, we're gonna start with, I guess you'd call these, I don't know, box jumps. What are these, box jumps?
I guess so.
Box jumps on whatever up this platform is. Probably gonna aim for what, 15 to 20 reps or something like that? 15 to 20 reps probably.
15 to 20 reps, and make sure you're pausing in a squat.
Yeah, make sure you pause in the squat at the bottom. We're gonna be demonstrating here in a second, so you'll see what he means. After that, we're gonna come over to this little platform on a spring. I don't know if you can see that. Got a little spring under it there. It's actually still shaking. And we're gonna be doing some stabilization squats on the springy platform. Okay, so that's gonna be pretty fun. So about 15 to 20 of these jumps into a solid squat at the bottom, and then into the squats and the stabilization platform. Probably another 15 to 20 there, just back to back, 3 sets, and we'll be seeing you after. Huh?
You want to sit here?
What's up?
You want to come here?
Can we come here?
You want to come here?
So I can't understand. You understand?
Oh, you always come here to do like this.
Oh, no. We never come here.
Hey.
This is our first time
This
here.
first time? I like your pet.
Thanks.
Come on.
Yeah, bro, go ahead. It's pretty good.
Look at that form.
That's not bad. Good job. META.
Metaphysique, one word.
Yeah, on YouTube it's one word. On Instagram it's
Yes, sir.
yeah. Do you want to write both of them?
Do you have Instagram?
No.
No.
Okay, we'll just write.
That's for YouTube. All right, right, YouTube.
Yeah. So,
Good guy, Winston. He's gonna be in the video, guys. You'll see him. Actually, you probably already saw him at this point in the video. Anyways, so we're gonna be finishing off with some core here. We did not bring any water, which is really dumb of us. But didn't bring any water, which is pretty dumb of us. But we're gonna finish off with some abs. You see, Winston's got that 8-pack going here. All right, so what are we doing here? We're just gonna do leg raises. Oh my God. All right, so you tell us, what are we doing? Finish up with some core, what are we doing? Got nothing, just leg raises?
As you can tell, I don't do core.
Guys, we don't do abs, so this is just a front on everyone here. We don't do abs.
You can't. I can only do like 10 sit-ups.
We can only do like yeah, this is actually our secret ab routine. Yep. All right, we're just gonna be finished off with some leg raises, guys. So Winston, get to work,
Whatever you want, whatever you need, babe. Whatever you want, whatever you need, babe.
Alright guys, that concludes our park workout for today. This is just the first episode in the Who Needs a Gym series, so I really hope you enjoyed it. We're going to be bringing more videos, kind of doing a more calisthenic type workout, kind of in places that you don't necessarily have to have crazy equipment, guys. You can really be anywhere. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe for more if you did, and we'll be seeing you next time, guys. Peace out.